Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I would do a bit of a day in the life weekend vlog with my children. So today it's a bit of a random vlog because we're not really doing a whole hell of a lot, to be honest. We're going to I need to go to Sainsbury's to do click and collect because I've got something there. I've got my daughter's gingham dresses for the summer waiting. They've been there for about 4 days now, so I better go and collect those. Then we're going to be going to my sister's. We're just going to have a day at my sister's. I'm helping her out with clearing her wardrobe and stuff like that. So, because she's really stressed at the moment where she's got building work at the moment. She's doing an extension on her house. So you can imagine everything's everywhere. So she just wants a little bit of help. So I'm going to go and do that. And the kids will just play with their cousins and stuff like that. So yeah, if you are new here, my name is Siobhan and I post videos 3 times a week. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. Without further ado, let's take you along with us on our Saturday of the weekend vlog. We're going to see Archie and Imogen, yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's go then. Let's go. Here to get our click and collect stuff. Let's go in. You're gonna go on the slide? Oh! We're we just want cheese. Taking dinosaur on a slide. Let's see then. Hello. Oh, that sun's bright. Ready, steady, dinosaur. Ready, steady, go. Whee! Get it? Get it? Quick, quick! What are you doing? Let me see ya. Let me see your cheeky face. You cheeky. Dinosaur, oh no. Quick, come and get it then. Too fast. Too fast for me. Don't worry.
Harrison, listen.
Harrison, you left her hanging. Should we go on something else? Should we go on something else? No? Alright, fine. We go to the flower. Gonna do it? Harrison, do it? Come on, you go to that one. Go to that one. Listen. Listen, this one. This one. Hello. Hello. Listen, you got to put your ear. What are you doing? You playing football with your sister? This is exactly what I mean by this is my sister's current situation with her house. So I'm coming around to help her organise something, even if the outside of her house isn't organised at all. So she's got all this going on, this extension's going up around here. Ignore that, that's just my niece. She's on the trampoline with her friend having a sleepover. So this here is what my sister's got going on. It's absolutely madness, look at it. Oh my god. But it is going up slowly but surely. In a few weeks time this will be up even higher and hopefully watertight is what she's saying that it's going to be. But this is the situation outside her home. So you can imagine their entire inside of her home is a mess, because it's all sort of been collided through. That's the front of the house, absolute madness. So yeah, so that's her extension progress. So I'm now going to go in and help her a little bit with organising stuff. So yeah. So this is me now helping her. This cupboard, this wardrobe, I don't know if you can see, all of that there has got to be hung up. So I've offered my services and I'm going to be putting that up there for her. So it's a bit like SOS sister, you know, she give me a call and I'm here, so to help her out with all that building work she's got going on. She's a bit mad and everything else, so in here, so I'm just going to help her out. So yeah, I'm just going to, you can watch me speed do that, put it all up. First of all, take my jacket off because, you know, I'm hot. That has actually got to go up there. Oh my goodness. Not sure how I'm going to handle this. I'm going to have to sort it out because I need to help her out. I think she should have another rail here. You know, one of them extending rails that you can get and you can just fix them in here. That'd be really, really good because then she can have more hanging space. That's what I think anyway. So I'm going to get them up there now. Ta-da! That's it all finished now, and I've put a lot of it up there, but I have put some of it in the drawers because there's no way that amount of clothing was going to fit up there. I am recommending her to get one of them rails to go along here that you don't have to screw in. You can get one screw if you want, but you can just get it so it's extendable. Please do ignore the noise. I'm at my sister's, and you can imagine all the kids together running around riot. So ignore that noise. But yeah, so basically I'm saying to her to get a rail there that you just tighten and it sort of sticks, and then that she could get a lot of space out of that, otherwise it's a bit lost. Or she can use other things in there, like boxes maybe and things like that. But I just think the rail would be so much better. She'd get a little bit more space than that. So yeah, that's it all done, and some of it are in drawers. So that is Sister SOS complete and finished her job for the day. Absolute state of me. I'm knackered now. I'm knackered after doing that. So yeah, I'm done my job. I've helped my sister, and hopefully it'll make her feel a little bit better. I've just helped her out of her bedroom as well, just before I did this one. And I've helped her out with my niece's room. And it's just basically getting things organised, because you know what it's like, especially if any of you know, if you're having a build or anything like that going on in your home and have an extension put up, it becomes a bit chaotic inside, and then you feel a bit woo all over the place. So hopefully that has made her feel a little bit better for the week ahead, because she's got a lot more building work going on. So yeah. So it's the next morning, and I totally forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I'm sorry if this is a bit of a random vlog, but I just thought I'd do like a real weekend, what we get up to on a Saturday and things like that, if we're not doing anything like anything in particular. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. And if you did enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. So for now, I'm going to go, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.